So I have this great new accessory from PGYTECH. Perfect for your GoPros, DJI action cameras, and Insta360 action cameras. It's a very versatile mount packed full of features, perfect for holding your camera out and vlogging, or use it as a tripod, or you can pull this bit out right here and you can hang this thing on a fence. It also has PGYTECH's patented CapLock system, where you can use this to quickly change between cameras or change between other CapLock mounts. And you can also just lock it into place so you don't have to worry about it popping out. But they've added some other features on this to make it a really powerful tool. There is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in here, just perfect for keeping your devices plugged in and charging. You can even charge your Samsungs or your latest iPhones with this as well. You can see that there's battery indicators on the side, and then there's USB-C right there, so you can charge this thing up. If you were recording something for a long period of time and you have this thing charged and maybe you just want to change batteries, you can actually take the battery out and it's still recording, and you can change it and swap it and put a different battery in there. So if you wanted to keep that video continually going, well, that's how you do that. I also like that there's a place to put your little USB-C when you're not using it, just right there on the side. That way it's not just dangling around. So that's a cool feature. And there's this little knob that you can loosen, and you can move this around the ball head, and you can even put it to the side to get portrait shots if you're shooting stuff for like TikTok or Reels. But wait, there's more. There's also a wrist strap down here at the bottom, so you can just keep this on here in case you do drop it and it's not gonna fly out of your hands. But more importantly, there is a remote control right here, and this remote control is detachable, so you can actually have this set up away so that you can easily just start and stop recording, change modes, and even turn off your device. And to sync up your remote to your GoPro or your other devices, you just go to like the Bluetooth section or pair a new device. And the remote control has USB-C on the bottom to charge it up, so you do have to charge that up separately to get it to work. But then yeah, you sync it up to your GoPro or your other cameras, and you can use that as a remote, so it's great. And also this remote doesn't just fall out really easily like some of the other ones do. It's on there nice and strong with some magnets, and it's really nice. The whole thing feels great in your hand, just like the other MantisPods that they have, except this one doesn't swivel out to like a three-way arm. However, it does give you that distance that you need to vlog.